All right, we're reading on this right side over here. So, culture, introduction. Culture is a pattern of behavior shared by a society or a group of people. Many different things make up a society's culture. These things include food, language, clothing, tools, music, arts, customs, beliefs, and religion. The term ethnicity may be used to describe the cultural background of a person. An ethnic group is made up of people who share the same ethnicity. Differences and similarities. Every human society has its own culture. Each culture is unique. A group's environment often decides the type of culture that develops. For example, a group that lives in a cold, mountainous region would develop a culture different from a group that makes its home in a hot, desert region. Scientists who study human culture are called anthropologists. Anthropologists have found that certain parts of culture are universal. This means that all people, all over the world, share these behaviors. All societies have ways of dealing with relatives, telling good from bad, making art, playing games, choosing leaders, and raising children. However, each culture does these things in different ways. How culture changes. Older people pass culture down to younger people. In this way, a group can keep the same traditions for many years. However, culture also changes over time. This may happen when the environment changes. It also happens when different groups come into contact with one another. Each group brings new ideas that can cause changes in the other group's culture. Sometimes conflict happens when different cultures come into contact. Other times the contact is peaceful and the groups share their cultures in positive ways. Earliest culture. Culture began to develop after early humans began to make tools. Humans eventually developed customs around the creation and the use of tools. These customs were early forms of culture.